No, hey, before we started this video.
No, okay.
I
parked in the back.
Okay.
That's enough for me.
I said, babe, let me drive the truck. You like, nah, hop in, I'm driving. I just didn't want to back out, but it's all good. I don't like backing out. I like
Y'all can be on a backup camera.
Hey, what's up, everybody? Good morning, people, man. We got Red right here, guys. You gotta know, about to head out, man. Good morning. But whatever time you watch this video, back with another video. So anyway, guys, we're headed to Hopper Motorplex right now. So if you guys didn't know, take his head off. Hey, I'm bald. Got this TP tire pressure sensor fall. There it is, right there. When I got my wheels installed, right? But it's weird. It's only on that one, the right front passenger, that has not basically acted right since we got the new tires and wheels put on, which is weird. The only one is not acting right. What's happening is, it seems like right now I just started the truck and it is giving me an error. But sometimes when I start the truck, and one of you all commented that at night it resets, and then as I start driving the truck, it goes back out. Some he said, I can't remember, and another guy said that it might be too far away or something, or when it bumps in the road. I don't know, something like that. So Custom Offset did send me out a new TPMS sensor, which is what we're getting placed today. And they just put it in this box once again with no padding, no nothing, guys. Right there. Like, I'm like, I know this thing has been getting tossed around and everything, man. It's just a box, guys. Like, no padding, no nothing. So I don't know what's going on with Custom Offset in their shipping process. It's yeah, man, like, come on. I don't know how fragile sensors are, or if that is a concern, but it's like, come on, man, you know, if it's a sensitive object, it should be wrapped. But I'm pretty sure they know if it's a sensitive object or not. Also, it's a different color than the last one. The last one they sent me, the other ones I bought the first time, they were blue. This one is orange. So I'm not sure, you know, if this is new or a different one, but whatever, you know, it's all good. As long as it works, I don't care. But anyway, so we about to go get that Hopper Motorplex right now, get that replaced, and I'll see y'all in a second. Also, guys, if you're wondering, I am trying to drink a gallon of water a day. It's not tea, it's water. I just got like a little flavor. Mio in there is what it is. Bree loves those things. Now I love them. I just give water a little flavor. So I've been drinking a gallon a day for about almost a month now, man. Got the little bottle off Amazon, and I feel so much better, because I'm the type that I do not really drink a lot of water. I do, but I don't. So I'm the type, if you put it in front of me, I drink it, but if I get like a small bottle and have to refill it over and over, I'm not gonna drink enough water today, because I don't feel like getting up and refilling it. But so yeah, I found that I've been doing it now, like I said, for about a month, and I feel so much better. Like, just mentally sharper, fresher. I don't know, just drinking more water has made a difference. I've been driving up for about 5 minutes, and look, the light on the dash is gone. So now the sensor is reading the tire pressure. See that? Which is crazy. I probably got some more air too. I want to go to about 41, 42 in these tires. Yeah, it's reading the pressure now. So I don't know, man. It does that. I don't know. By the time I get the hopper, it's probably gonna go out. Hopefully it pops back on, because they're gonna get the truck and be like, wait, I thought you said the sensor was out, you know, and the sensor is not out. It's like, so it goes in and out, man. It's weird. It's been doing it almost ever since we got it. At first it wouldn't come on, and then like after a week or two, it just started to pop on. So I don't know, man. We'll see. All right, guys. So we got the new sensor put in, swapped out. I'll show y'all, as you can see. There they go. All 4 reading. So we'll see if it holds up. See if it lasts. How Custom Offset works, which is weird. They actually want me to send the old sensor back. like if you don't send the old sensor back, we're gonna charge you. So this is the old sensor, man. Like, Jimmy was telling me we had to take it off, like how it's stuck on there, that like, yeah, these don't, he's like, it's hard not to break them. So I'm gonna send this back to him like this, I guess, if that's what they want. It was a small, tedious task. It wasn't nothing crazy. A lot of people just disable them anyway. When you get big wheels and tires like this, you just disable them. So, you know, just do it the old-fashioned way. Just check your tires every now and then. But yeah, no big deal. I'm glad them all got taken care of. Again, shout out to Hopper Motorplex. My guy Jimmy always take care of me. Hopper Motorplex always take care of me. Telling you guys, a lot of you guys ask me in the video all the time, hey, I'm in DFW area. Where do you go to get your work done on your lifted truck? You know, everything I be doing. And I tell you, every time, Hopper Motorplex, I take my lifted truck for all my lifted truck needs. I go to Hopper, you know, the dealership. But when it comes to the lift kit, suspension, big tires, wheels, Hopper Motorplex. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who? Back with another video. Thank y'all for coming, kicking it with your boy Q and Bree today. So guys, so this is Brielle's. I would say it's her first time driving a new setup, but I'm lying because those rollers y'all saw in the video when I posted it, I first got it, she was driving the truck then. So she kind of drove it a little bit. Not really, you just been driving around in circles though for the most part.
It's my first time actually like driving.
Yeah, it's her first time actually driving it. So we're gonna ask her what's her thoughts on driving it for the first time. And so I noticed what I noticed, but I'm gonna see if her experience any different. We braking right now. How I feel braking?
I play it.
Like, how does it feel to braking?
It feels fine.
Feels fine?
I don't notice a difference. See, Quincy be playing, y'all. He act like it takes a lot to stop this truck.
It does take a lot to stop the truck.
I just stopped it just fine.
But you was only going 30. Imagine going from like 70 to like, you know, quick.
Why would you be doing 70 up here?
Not right here. I'm just saying in general. Like, we be in the highway, you be like, ooh, you right on people. And I'd be like, nah, baby, because anyway.
Another story for another day.
Yeah, another story for another day. So I just want to get her impressions of it. I definitely can feel, I ain't gonna get my input because I don't want her to think what I'm thinking. So you feel like it picks up fine, like it accelerates fine, or you think it's slower? I feel like it's slower.
I feel like it's fine. Yeah. I don't notice like any hesitation or anything.
Kind of put your foot in a little bit and see if it takes a while to respond. No? Okay.
She can get it.
Yeah. But go ahead.
No, I was gonna say I don't notice like major changes. I think it feels like it's a little bit stiffer to like handle. Yeah. Like as far as like turning or like changing lanes and stuff. I feel like that's a little bit tougher. But nothing that I'm just like, oh my gosh, it's like a drastic change, which is fine with me because y'all Quincy don't let me drive his truck, honestly. So
I don't mind her driving it. It just
he didn't even let me drive right now. He told me to get out. No. I was already in here though. So but I would say overall it's a little bit stiffer to handle.
So like you mean basically the steering wheel feels heavier?
Yeah, yes, the steering wheel feels heavier. I don't really notice a braking change or anything. Okay. I feel like your truck has always been like that since it's higher.
Harder to brake?
Harder to brake a little bit, and that's just compared to my car. I feel like my brakes are a whole lot softer than his, so but that's just different car, different brands or makers and stuff. But yeah.
What about bumps?
I don't know. I feel, it's still bumpy, y'all.
It ain't that bad. Actually, in my opinion, guys, it feels smoother. I'm gonna be real with you. Like the ride, feels smoother.
I don't know, maybe because you see it, so you impact it, you like embracing it more. Where me sitting on the passenger side and I don't see it coming, and it come out of nowhere, and I'd be like, nah, it's still bumpy.
Okay, so you feel like it's more. So you feel like it's more bumpy.
I feel like yes, it's bumpier compared to previously. Yes.
Okay. I will have to agree. Up at higher speeds, guys, around like 70. You remember you said you told me like when I was speeding up, it felt bumpier.
Yeah.
Oh, she know to watch out for that water. No water on red.
That with Jasmine too.
I know. Yeah, I will say at higher speeds, it does feel like the ride just get a little bouncy, just a tad bit.
Yeah, like up here, that was kind of bumpy. Yeah. I don't know. I just feel like I feel like it is trying to grip the road more. So I feel like it's embracing all of the bumps.
Okay, that's probably the tires.
Yeah, I think it is the tires kind of like really.
They're brand new.
Yes.
Okay, so you're saying the tires are. Go ahead.
Oh no, I disagree with what you just said. Like, yeah, I feel like the tires are really like, all right, there's a bump, let's hit it.
So they really grabbing the road.
Yeah, they're really grabbing the road.
Okay, gotcha. But
I'm no car person, but I'm just saying.
No, I know. No, that's actually
my car.
No,
it just feels that way.
You're right. Actually, when you get like new tires and lift the truck, like you will feel those tires really grip and grab the road. You know what I'm saying? Because they're brand new.
That would have been a road to test
I think they're right. Where?
Go down this road.
Oh yeah, I think this road. What about looks? How do you think it looked? You like the look?
She looked good. Okay, I don't want to say I was underwhelmed, but Quincy hyped me up to where he's about to have these like big obnoxious tires. Yeah. So when I walked up and saw it, I was like, oh, not in a bad way, but just like, oh, that's
I overhyped it for you.
Yeah.
Okay.
I was expecting something like really, really big.
Yeah.
And I mean, I did see the tires before they got put on, and I'm like, yeah,
they were a lot bigger.
Huge.
Yeah.
But for me, I was like, oh, okay, that's not. You went more width and not. No.
I went both actually.
I mean, yeah, you went more height.
Height and width.
I know, but I thought the width was gonna be a lot more wide.
Okay, so she thought I was probably gonna be looking like a 14 wide look where the tires sit way outside.
Yes.
I mean, if you, oh, damn, ran into the back of that. You saw that? See, that's why I like being out right now.
Why are y'all stopped in front of the intersection?
I know, blocking the intersection, man.
Don't block the intersection.
Look, they blocked the whole entrance.
Look,
now we got traffic. Now we can't none of us turn. But anyway,
see, if we was in Jasmine, I would have shimmy my way
nah,
off
you can't
the
slid it through there.
I'm not in your truck.
No, I'm saying you couldn't even in your car. It's not enough space.
Yes, it is.
No, babe, that's not enough space.
Jasmine's slender. This RAV4 can do it.
No, they can't.
just scared.
Nah, it's more space with its white car.
It look.
Man, he just moved up. Anyway,
sorry.
do you like the look? You like the wheels?
I like it. Yeah.
Yeah,
It looks good. Wheels, rims, all things.
Let's see you boss hog. She gonna boss hog it. Go ahead, take
Wait a
it.
minute, Cadillac.
Go ahead.
This RAV4 need to come
For
on.
real?
Really.
Jeez, find the accelerator.
For real.
Jeez.
Oh, they got a baby in the back, I think.
I don't care. I mean, I do care. I'm sorry. I care, but it wasn't worth doing that slow. Like, they were going super slow.
Maybe she just got to the hospital. You don't know.
All right, let's see if you try to make this U-turn. So go. Let's see if you can try to make this U-turn. Well, you know you swoop in to do it? You know where you swoop in to... Oh, we going inside?
We're going inside.
Oh, okay. Anyway.
I mean, you just want to see me tilt.
Nah. Oh, you want to try to do it? All right, let's see if you can try to do
hit
it.
the baby trying to get the Gatorade.
All right. She gonna try to pop this U and see if she can see if the turning rate is different.
Will she have to use a backup? Hey, y'all ain't got no backup camera.
So I ain't got no backup camera. All right.
The struggle.
Let's see the turning rate. So you go swoop in and see if she can get it. So we about to swoop right here, guys, and go back out.
Swoopity swoop.
See if she can
Like
do
you
it.
swoop them edges.
Oh, she got it easy. I told you the turning radius seems easier now. I'm telling you, man.
How?
I don't know. It seems like it turn easier. I don't know, but I know it doesn't. I'm pretty sure it can. But
Swoop
anyway,
like some fresh edges.
oh, she got it, guys. She did good. Anyway, man, this gonna be a quick video.
On a shirt.
What's that?
Swoop like some fresh edges.
Swoop like some fresh edges.
Yeah, like you swooping in the park spot. Okay, I would. If it end up out there, it was me that said it.
That sounds like some merch idea. She turned it now. How I feel turning it. I think it turns fine.
No, it turns fine. It's just a little like
heavy.
You know? Yeah.
You got to really put some muscle into it to really turn it out. Yeah, we're parking in the bike. Wanted y'all to get her impression of her driving it for the first. They would. Oh, park over here to the left hand. Yeah, just pull straight through. All right. You have to swing it that wide.
I can't see.
You can't see what?
Over your hood.
Oh, you can't see over the hood?
I mean, I can see over the hood.
All right, that's good.
Your truck.
Well, why you ain't pull all the way through though? So I ain't got to back out. You know, you just pulled all the way through.
This is why you drive.
No, hey, before we started this video,
I parked in
no,
the back.
okay.
I parked in the back.
Okay.
That's enough for me.
But before we started this video, I said, babe, let me drive the truck. You like, nah, hop in. I'm driving already.
Cause I parked somewhere that's fine. You always say
I just didn't want to back out, but it's all good. I don't like backing out. I like.
Yeah, cause you got no backup camera.
Yeah,
Bougie self.
That's messed up. You bougie. She told me I ain't got a backup camera. Anyway, guys, that's gonna be a quick video. I just want to get her a drive impression. Maybe when she gets some higher speeds, she would take the interstate back on. Nah.
Yeah, you need gas.
I do need gas. So this might be in the video. If it is, say bye.
Bye.
If not, y'all see the clip. But I think this gonna probably be in the video. But I'll catch y'all next one. We said bye already.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
Peace.
Peace.